Jackie sir,
Yes,
it's an honor to have you on our show.
it's an honor to be here.
Sir, now I can say proudly that I am popular. Otherwise, people was not taking me seriously.
Yeah, you're popular because of me.
Yes, sir, and I am feeling proud on myself. Sir, you met Raveena.
Hi.
She's a beautiful actress.
Wow.
And she specially came to meet you. I mean,
Can
I have
can I go-
specially come here to welcome you.
Can I go there have a hug?
Yes, sir.
sir, originally you are very romantic.
Yeah. Dad, I want to do a romantic movie. I trying to do because I'm tired about action. Now action, he do it.
No. Sir, actually,
I do romantic.
But sir, nobody can do action like you, and actually it's a fact.
जैकी जी के लिए थोड़े कुछ लफ्ज लिखे हैं.
Okay.
वो मैं बताना चाहूंगी, आप बाद में ट्रांसलेट कर लेना.
जी, जी, मैं
क्योंकि,
translate So she has written something good lines
Okay.
for you.
जमाने के सामने अपनी बुलंद आवाज रखते हैं.
वाह.
जमाने के सामने अपनी बुलंद आवाज रखते हैं. आप कंगफू कराटे का नायाब अंदाज रखते हैं.
वाह.
I'll translate for you.
सर,
Okay.
सर जैकी, स्वागत है आपका आज हमारी इस महफिल में.
वाह.
हम आपके शीश पर विजय श्री का ताज रखते हैं.
Wow.
Wow.
Basically, they are welcoming the king of martial art, the king of kung fu yoga, and they are honored to be a part
Thank
of.
you.
It's fabulous.
Sir, please take your seat. सोनू पाजी, thank you so much.
Oh, bye. Thank you.
आज ये एक्चुअली मैं कह रहा हूँ सोनू पाजी की वजह से ये पॉसिबल हुआ है. ये जैकी सर को हमारे शो पे लेके आए हैं. इन्होंने साबित कर दिया कि हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई, पंजाबी बिजनेसमैन. पाजी 3,000 आपको आ गया था, 7 आपका बाकी, 10,000 में डील हुई थी. थैंक यू सो मच.
भाई, thank you. और लेकिन नोट सारे पुराने दिए हैं इसमें.
मेरे पास जो थे मैंने दे दिए. Sir, I'm your big fan. I mean, it must be a common line for you. I've been watching your films since my childhood. I'm not telling you age, actually.
I know. I believe everybody watched my film growing up.
I mean, I'm talking about your...
But we look same age.
Sir, he looks younger. You are great.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I have prepared some lines in English. Okay. Sir, welcome to India and welcome to the Kapil Sharma Show. I'm so excited that I forget what I wanted to ask you. I mean, what can I ask you?
No, Kapil Bhaji, before we actually show shuru hone se pehle, I must tell you, Kapil has got the best English in the country. So that everyone would agree. So you'll understand his English.
You know, sir, British people ruled
Yes.
us on more than 200 years. So I have some anger. I'm intentionally not learning English.
Okay.
I mean, but, sir, I'm also producing a movie which is Firangi. It's gonna be a huge hit.
Cut, ये काट देना है वाला portion.
अच्छा कैसी बात है, इतने बड़े इंटरनेशनल स्टार जैकी चैन साथ में बैठे हैं और मैं अपनी फिल्म की प्रमोशन कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am selfish. Do whatever you want to do. Jackie sir, whole world knows about your films. रवीना, किसी को बाहर जाके बताना नहीं मैंने कितने एरर किए हैं, ठीक है?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं कहूंगी मैं. कुछ नहीं कहूंगी. अब
एक दूसरे की इज्जत रखनी है, हैं?
सोचेंगे, मेरी तो इज्जत है ही, तुम्हारी पता नहीं.
Sir, your all movies are superbly entertaining.
Thank you.
So, tell us something about Kung Fu Yoga.
Yoga is traditional India. Kung Fu is traditional for Chinese. So combined is a friendship, is everything, you know. Then one day I just make fun. Oh, why don't we do a Kung Fu yoga?
Oh.
What a good thought. Lovely.
Actually, कलाकार जो होते हैं, बॉलीवुड है हमारा, ये एक ऐसा माध्यम है, इसकी सरहदें कोई नहीं होती. कोई भी कलाकार जो है वो सरहद में बंधा हुआ नहीं होता. और ये बड़ा खूबसूरत प्रयास है सर. Whatever you are doing, it's great for both countries. और ये प्यार बढ़ाने का एक कलाकारों की तरफ से एक पहला एफर्ट है. और आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. a guy, Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, he's a very famous politician in India. He missed something today, and he didn't even know what he is missed today.
What?
First, he missed his flight. And second, he missed a chance to meet Mr. Jackie Chan, sir.
Wow.
आई थिंक ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा हो गया ना.
मतलब अभी आप सिद्धू बाजी को आने नहीं देंगी?
वो आपके ऊपर है. अभी देखो, सोचो, सिद्धू जी कहीं दिल्ली में किसी और कुर्सी के लिए इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं. सबसे बेस्ट कुर्सी तो यहाँ है.
क्या बात है, ये तो है. अच्छा, इंडिया में रह के सलमान भाई, शाहरुख भाई से, इन लोगों से मिलना इतना मुश्किल है. आपने सीधा जैकी चैन को मिल लिया पाजी. सीरियसली बताना, कैसे मिले आप? आपको कितने पैसे दिए आपने इस फिल्म में काम करने के लिए?
अभी तक दे रहा हूँ. जैसे आपको 7,000 दोगे वो भी किस्त भरनी है मेरे को अभी.
नहीं, आपने इनको बता दिया था कि मैं कपिल शर्मा का दोस्त हूँ?
नहीं, मैंने उनको बताया, ये विश्वास ही नहीं किए. He didn't believe that I know you. He said, no, Kapil Sharma, how can you know? He's a big star.
ओके, हमारी डील हुई है कि एक दूसरे की तारीफ करनी है.
When I was telling him कि Kapil Sharma, he said, no, वो फिरंगी वाला एक्टर ना, I know.
Yes, man.
पर भाजी, to your answer कि आपने पूछा कि how I got to meet Jackie sir. तो 31 जनवरी को 2009 में मैंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था. तो मैं थोड़ा सा sword fighting सीख रहा था. तो उन्होंने पूछा कि आप why are you learning this sword fighting? So I said, who knows, one day Jackie Chan might cast me in his movie. तो
I saw the paper. Yes.
So how did you think about Sonu, sir? Even I am very fit.
If I know you, I won't hire him.
wow.
Are you happy?
I'm confused. Sir, actually, you know, after your line, I'm gonna increase my payment. You made me more popular.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, have you ever watched our South Indian movies? Like, I mean, I am impressed, sir. हमारा बॉलीवुड में मुक्का आता है 45 सेकंड में. ऐसे लगता है. I mean, in Bollywood movies, punch is coming like this in high speed and hit him, and Gal is as doing and sweating out, and one single drop is watching. I mean, you can watch a single drop. And in your movies, 2 सेकंड में 40 मुक्कर 15 लाते मार के भाग जाते हैं. I mean, you in 2 seconds you hit 30 punches and 2 legs complementary, and you are gone. I mean, I don't know where is Jackie Chan. I mean, you are so fast, sir. Sir, try to watch sometimes South Indian movies. A hero, I mean, actor. गोली चलाने की कहते हैं English.
Fires a bullet.
He fires a bullet. Bullet is coming out from
Traveling.
pistol.
Yes.
And you can watch the bullet. After the trigger, I mean, bullet is out. After that, he will... I mean, after that, he will take his gun back and come... I mean, he will bring a knife from his another pant.
Bullet is still traveling.
Bullet is still traveling.
Okay.
And with the knife, he will throw a knife on bullet. Bullet cut into 4 pieces. Bullet cut into 4 pieces and 16 people dead. I don't know why. How?
So Kapil, you want to give him an idea that in next film he should try this action?
I think you can cut that bullet into 8 pieces.
Whatever your time, you can come to China or Hong Kong to train with me.
Sir, I don't want to die.
You don't die. You're dead.
You're doing.
Do you practice yoga?
I think martial art, Hapkido, karate, judo, yoga, all same basically. Martial art, you know, you stay like this, and you sweating. It's like an exercise, but you can more faster. That is a hitting people.
Sir, actually, you know what? I was expecting, I can expect anything. I'm a poor guy. I mean, I was expecting...
The poor guy who, how much tax you have? 15 crores tax. Poor guy.
I mean, from my brain, I'm very poor.
Yes, okay.
I was expecting that you will come from some terrace, and I was expecting.
Not high enough.
No, 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 no.
That is Jackie Chan, man. You know, sir, we have very low budget. But for you, especially, we increased our budget. Sony Saab, we called our channel and asked them to give us a bicycle, sir.
It's a gift for me.
Yes, sir. No, sir, we are gonna use again.
You're gonna auction.
Yes, I can. कौन है जिनको जैकी सर की ये साइकिल खरीदनी बताओ अभी मैक्सिमम पैसे बताओ किसके पास है
और नए नोट चाहिए
आप भाई साहब का कोट अच्छा पैसे भी होंगे इनके पास तो ही इज रेडी टू बाय योर साइकिल यस
Yes,
हाउ
sir,
मच
I'll buy.
10 lakhs minimum.
सर 10 lakhs दूंगा सर.
10.
10 लाख के ऊपर कोई
सर कौन बढ़ाएगा उससे ज्यादा मैं बढ़ाऊंगा.
पक्का
पक्का.
हमने सोचा नहीं था वैसे हम 10-20 हजार तक सोच रहे थे
ओनली जैकी सर बैठे इसीलिए सर. क्योंकि इंडिया में सभी उनको पसंद करते हैं.
आप काम क्या करते हैं सर
मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ सर.
बैंगलोर से होते हैं वहां पे पैसे पेड़ पे लगते हैं मतलब काम
नहीं
क्या करते हैं
सर, काम भी ऐसे करते हैं हम. प्रॉपर्टीज का काम करते हैं.
प्रॉपर्टी का काम करते हैं ये साइकिल
सर।
आपकी हुई 10 लाख का चेक
100% सर आपको दे रहा हूँ.
सर
Wow!
कांग्रेचुलेशन
Then I paid 1 million for this cycle.
100% दे रहा हूँ सर. ये
So
मेरा
sweet
वादा
of
रहा
you.
सर. मेरा
आप so
वादा
sweet
रहा.
of you.
बट साइकिल हमको देना
मैं
सर.
वैसे ही अगर आप बहुत अच्छी बात है आपका प्यार है जैकी सर के लिए और हम ये 10 लाख रुपया जो है वो कैंसर पीड़ित बच्चों के लिए अभी से अब डोनेट करते हैं आपकी तरफ से
Of
ही है
course sir, of
Wow!
course.
यू आर डूइंग मैन
course, sir.
Yes.
Of course.
You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
सर ही इज बाइंग दैट साइकिल
I don't know how much, but I'm gonna sign it. The money all go to the charity.
यस सर
Yes sir.
Yeah. ऊपर आ.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
जैकी सर कैन वी हैव योर ऑटोग्राफ ऑन दिस साइकिल ओके दिस साइकिल इज योर
Pen,
चेक
pen.
हम आपसे बाद में ले लेंगे
आ जा ऊपर.
भरोसा ना तोड़ना हमारा सो स्वीट थैंक यू जैकी सर
Thank you.
क्या नाम बताया सर
शेख फाजिल.
शेख फाजिल शेख साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और आपके मेहनत की कमाई हुई जो आपकी दौलत है वो किसी अच्छे काम में लगेगी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शो में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
Thank you.
थैंक यू शेख साहब थैंक यू जैकी सर थैंक यू सोनू बाजी
You can have coffee also while talking.
सर
Want some tea?
would you like to have some coffee green tea
No, I just see
China.
China, Chinese. No, I said, wow, Indian traditional teapot, good, looks nice. China.
We wanted you to feel at home. That's why we kept some Chinese thing. Even he's made in China, couple.
रवीना मेरे
हाँ।
प्यार का ये
वैसे शायरी मैंने सोनू के लिए लिखी थी तुमने चांस ही नहीं दिया मौका नहीं दिया और ना उसने दिया उसने जैकेट उतारा ही नहीं
अरे please, please.
नहीं आई मीन शायरी 6 पैक के ऊपर है
पर रवीना आप जानती हैं मैंने आपसे शेयर भी किया हुआ है जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करता था तो रवीना के पोस्टर्स मेरे रूम के अंदर लगे रहते थे और मैं पिक्चर इनको भेजी है वो I had have posters in my room when I was studying in the college.
Really?
Yeah.
या सो देन इसी बात पे जैकेट उतार दो पब्लिक को दिखा दो व्हाट यू मेड ऑफ वी वांट टू सी व्हाट यू मेड ऑफ सोनू
अच्छा है.
ओह
चलो भाई. Thank you भाई.
Sir, have you heard about Baba Ramdev? Sir, we have something for you to show. Come, sir. Sonu bhai, आओ.
Wow.
So, we called a yoga teacher. Of course, not Baba Ramdev. So, where is the yoga teacher? Yes. Sir, he's gonna teach you something. आपको आता है ना? जो जैकी चैन है हमारी बेइज्जती ना करवा देना, ठीक है? बाहर जाके चाइना में बताएंगे आप बताओ करके दिखाइए अच्छा आप तो अंडरवेयर छुपा लो अंडरवेयर ना दिखाओ He don't mix dal in rice. He ate rice, dal, and then mix. And khichdi.
I just want to say that.
शुक्रिया सर, कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया, काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुई। शुक्रिया जी, प्लीज
I want to ask you some question. I know you producer a movie.
जी.
You have so many shows,
जी,
right?
Right.
Did you ever thought you dream about it one day I come to your show?
I never thought, sir. इसका मतलब जैकी चैन भी मेरा शो देखते हैं। Superb, sir. I mean, I never thought, but no, when Sonu thought that one day I might work with Jackie Chan, then I thought, if he will do work, and I know him personally, I will tell him to bring you here, and he bring you here. Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, as you said, you want to do romance.
Yes.
And we have beautiful Ravina Tandon here. I will play a very beautiful song for you. Ravina ma'am, आपको सिखाना, आप देखो हमारी बॉलीवुड की आज नाक आपके हाथ में है. रवीना टंडन जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Actually, I love you.
You love me, sir. I love you too, sir. Thank you, Ravina ji. Thank you so much for this beautiful moment.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jackie sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I come sir. Jackie sir, you always do lot of dangerous action.
Yes.
कितनी हड्डियां? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken. Crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो, क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं, पर वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं. जैकी चैन क्यों हैं? बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं, डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं. और सर, वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, वी लव यू अ लॉट.
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
Okay.
Then I got a phone call in America after body check, because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. Continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injury, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
You are Superman, sir. Sir, that soup is available in India?
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
अच्छा, राजमा?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of rajma chawal, but you're talking
bean.
about red beans. But
yes.
rajma makes
Good.
you strong, and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean,
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
okay, तो अच्छी चीजें हैं, सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to, I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and kachumar and juice? I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know it was a
I
stupid
just a
question.
normal human, but I just have a guts to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask, I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. It's too many.
And do you remember how many, I mean, good thing you have done on screen? I mean, kisses?
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, it's more easier. But put it this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if I'm doing a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out of the theater. Look at the kissing, so good,
Yeah.
right?
Good, bro.
Then I said, oh, okay. As long as I'm still feel I'm young, I will continue to action until I cannot do it, because you. Like a lot of people ask me, Jackie, why you continue to do this? Because that's my life. I've been doing it 56 years, every day, single day on the set. Every day doing the things, action sequence. That, for me, it's so easy. For you, probably difficult. But you tell me to sit here to do the show. For me, it's difficult.
So sweet. I mean, I don't have words, but you are genius, sir.
You do the best you can. One day, you will get an Oscar. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Like me, when I was young, if people said, Jackie, one day you will get an Oscar. You know? But I just concentrate. Even my box office, good. Box office, no good. Somebody go to see my movie. Some people don't like movie. Doesn't matter. Every day, single shot. In the movie, in the stage, on the set, I do my best I can to risk my life for all those years. One day, I never go to the Oscar. Oscar come to me.
Wow.
Same thing. No matter what kind of job you are, you're the host. You do the best you can. You're not today to the host. Nobody listen to you. Okay, tomorrow you change your cameraman. Okay, you doesn't good. You go to change your sound man. You do nothing. Stay where you are. Like you, like the audience. I think everybody have your own job. Stay your own job. One day, your dream success.
Wow.
यही चीजें होती हैं बड़े लोगों से सीखने वाली. Sir, you will not believe actually. I was talking to my team yesterday. So I told them, what if I will get an Oscar? I mean, I can get. We all are human beings. If we will give our 100%, we will give our best. So we can get. Sir, you are so inspirational. I mean, thank you so much for coming. दोनों भाई इनसे पूछो अगर नहीं ले आ पाए हम ऑस्कर तो हमें अपना वाला दे देंगे.
You have to put in a. Oh. No.
Hurt.
तू आ गया मेरा जग्गू आ गया मुझे तेरा इंतजार था.
नानी तू ना अपनी रेंज के हिसाब से इंतजार किया अगर नल में पानी आया कि नहीं आया मच्छर मारने वाले आया कि नहीं. तू जैकी साहब के सपने काम से ले रही तू.
बिजनेस प्लान है तू चुप कर बीच में मत बोला कर. और कैसा है मेरा पुत्र?
ठीक हो ना नहीं ठीक.
जीतता रहे कुछ बचा नहीं नारियल से काम चला. My God! Ni hao ma.
Oh, how, ni hao, namaste.
Ni hao. वही पकड़ते रहे ना बीच में. You like my healthy organic praise?
Yes.
Yeah.
अभी क्या कर रही हैं आप इधर क्या करने आई हैं?
मैं इनके लिए बिजनेस लेकर आई हूँ तू बीच में ज्यादा बोला मत कर. Listen, no company there give you insurance. Yeah, because everywhere break. Don't worry, my company will give you insurance.
तुम्हारी कंपनी?
हाँ.
What company?
कोई नो कंपनी. मेरे नाना के साथ भी इनकी कंपनी नहीं बनी. कौन सी कंपनी खोल ली आपने? Do you have?
हाँ ठीक है. ये पैसे देगा उससे कंपनी भी खुल जाएगी ना. तू चुप कर और तू अप्लाई मत करना. मुझे सीरियस लोग चाहिए. You don't listen to him. He is villa. I tell you. You know I've got lovely plan for you.
Okay.
आपके लिए मेरे पास है टकाटक बीमा योजना. See, this policy is for you. You one time give me under table 50 lakh rupees, invest in this. My company after 18 years, when you're ripe for marriage, will give you 5 times more.
He's already married, I told you.
Yeah, then do affair, na? My company will help you in affair also. I'll do the needful.
He don't need your insurance. He's very strong. Okay,
No,
now.
I know he's strong, but you do stunt, so you need insurance. I'll give you. जब देखो तो बेचारे लगे रहते हैं यूं करते.
I'll recommend, Nani. I'll recommend.
ये लॉक हो गया. कोई खोलो. It is locked here. Please open me.
Sir, you have to kick her. Sir, you have to kick her. Yeah.
Sir, don't worry. She's not original she. She's he.
She's a he.
She's a he.
Too old.
No, thank you for opening my
Bones.
Lock.
हाँ मजाकड़ा.
That's what.
Okay, thank you and so nice meeting you. Okay, I go.
Thank you. Thank you.
लग गई भाई.
सोनू भाजी, आपने बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में काम किया है. हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, पंजाबी. आपने जैकी सर के साथ अभी काम. आपने कुछ इनसे चाइनीज सीखी आपने थोड़ी बहुत कि नहीं वैसे?
मेरे चाइनीज के अलावा इनको बहुत सारे अच्छे डायलॉग्स आते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों के.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Sir, I will give you 4-5 dialogues. I mean, people will go mad if you say those dialogues. So, can we?
Yeah.
Okay. So, there is Mr. Bachchan. He's a legendary actor. And his style is like, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. It's a very long dialogue, I know. So, you can say, नाम है शहनशाह.
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Like this.
Nam Han Sheng.
Oh! सर भाई, बच्चन साहब का दीवार वाला डायलॉग. हाँ.
हाँ, yeah. So I have to say you one line and you have to answer it. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Maha.
There is another guy, Mr. Sunny Deol. He's an Iron Man. उनका एक डायलॉग है, बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Can you repeat this line? बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
कुत्ते?
हाँ, कुत्ते ठीक है.
बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
पर वन जाए तेरे कुत्ते?
Superb. And there is another superstar, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. You met him?
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan.
So he's a very stylish actor. One of his dialogues is very famous, like, छोटे छोटे शहरों में
छोटे छोटे साले में
बड़े बड़े शहरों में एक्चुअली. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. बड़े बड़े शहरों में
बाला बाला साले में
छोटी छोटी बातें
बातें
छोटी छोटी बातें
होती रहती हैं.
होती हैं.
And Kapil bhai, that signature step of like this. You have to, yeah.
Sir, another guy, I like him very much, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha.
Yeah.
One small dialogue. Khamosh.
Khamosh.
Superb, sir, I love you. Thank you. जोरदार तालियां यार, जोरदार. Come, sir.
Good, sir.
Sir, I know you are a very brave man like a lion. You know, in India, men are lion, but when they go back to their home and in front of their wives, they are mouse. I mean, just want to ask, same conditions in China also? Or Kung Fu saves you from your wife?
No. In Hong Kong, I'm like fly, you know, fly? Flying.
Okay.
Flying. I go home, then I say, look, this, look at the shoes, look at this, look at this. You know what my wife? She's a flying killer. Pack!
Sir, in India, marriage is not less than a stunt. Actually, it's almost stunt.
Yeah.
पहला स्टंट तो ये घोड़ी से भी आप गिर सकते हो. So I just want to show you how Indian marriages performs. Suppose अगर जैकी सर की शादी इंडिया में होती, suppose if I mean I am unable to make a sentence, कैसे समझाऊँ बाजी?
Suppose if you get married in India.
Okay.
We just want to show you the marriage ceremony in India. हाँ, फटाफट लेके आओ. This is horse, according to our budget. So in India, Dula, I mean groom.
I love a horse.
You love horse?
But
So,
I'm year of the horses.
very good, sir. So, sir, in India, groom, I mean, क्या बोलेंगे? Ravina, help me. घोड़े पे जाता है. He goes to get his bride
On the
on horse. Because we give him last chance to run away. But if he's not running, finally he's
Oh,
married.
makes sense.
So I will arrange for you, and this is your barat, and we will give you baratis. Baratis means your relatives, some kind of
Friends.
jija, fufa,
All
and
uncles, aunties, they're all
Uncle,
attending
auntie.
already.
Oh, he's playing your wife.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Would be wife. Tall,
Okay.
tall, handsome wife. Barati, aa jao.
Me, go.
You are going to
Okay. This is a wife.
her village, yes.
My village.
This is the wife.
He's
Yeah.
the wife. Okay, right now, no action. Now you have reached at Dulhan's place, and she's your wife. She's waiting for you to put this gungat out and look at her face. Sir, this is the Varmala segment. You have to put this Varmala in her neck. She will put in your neck, and then neck to neck fight. Didi, Didi. Thank you.
So good, huh?
थैंक यू. अब वक्त है फिल्म कुंग फू योगा के डायरेक्टर मिस्टर स्टैनली टोंग उनको यहाँ इनवाइट करने का, और उनके साथ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेसेस दिशा पटानी, अमायरा दस्तूर और वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मिया फ्रॉम चाइना. जोरदार तालियां. ऊपर वाला जब देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. मुझे नहीं पता आज सिद्धू जी कहाँ हैं, लेकिन बड़ा पछता रहे होंगे. Beautiful girls, welcome to my show, Mr. Stanley. It's an honor to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Welcome. How are you, Mia?
Hi.
How are you? Amira, आप सब आइए, बैठिए, जहाँ जहाँ जगह मिलती है आइए, मिल बैठ के बैठ जाएंगे. आ जाइए.
No. Lady.
I'll sit here.
Yeah.
You sit
lady,
where
lady.
are you comfortable, Mr. Stanley? I will sit with Mia,
I'll
no
let the
problem.
lady, I'll let the lady sit.
No, yeah, lady sitting. You can sit on my chair. Mia, I can sit with you.
Okay.
You.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. May I?
I can sit wherever.
Yeah.
I can sit here also.
Sure.
Do you want to
That's
sit
better.
with me?
I just want to
better,
flirt
that's
with
better.
international beauty.
Okay, now interview.
अपने देश की लड़की पे बात आई, मुझे उठा के इधर बिठा दिया. वाह.
See? Good position. Look. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
interview.
You are a
Start.
very big star.
वो सोनू बड़ा कंफर्टेबल है, वो
Thank
खिसक भी नहीं रहा है उस तरफ. खिसक तो जा.
Mr. Stanley.
You're on this side.
No.
And I try to be on this side.
I mean, India-China relationship are very good. We are not fighting for chairs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
I like your tattoo.
Thank you.
You're very beautiful.
You can try. Please.
Okay, bye bye.
No, sir. No. Where are you going, sir? I mean, sir, I mean, you did a lot of romance in your movies from
Okay.
so many years. I'm a poor guy. Give me a chance.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I mean, would you like to have something?
There you go.
Bye bye.
No, sir. Sir, okay. Okay, I will stand here. Would you
Okay.
like to have something? Chai, coffee, पराठे पुराठे खाने? Mia, I mean,
He's asking, do you want to kick him?
no. He's mad guy. You know,
Yeah.
he's
yes.
not a good person.
Yes, I like Sonu.
She's a single.
Single?
So good.
Yeah.
She's single.
Yeah.
You know what? I love fitness freak girls.
Me too.
Kapil Bhaji, she is the face of China for yoga. She is the yoga queen of
Goddess of yoga in Asia, actually.
Hi, everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Mia. Glad to be here in India. I'm playing No Ming, Jackie assistant in this movie Kung Fu Yoga. We been to Iceland, Dubai, China, and India. Exciting treasure hunting. I love you, India. India is so beautiful. Enjoying this movie. Thank you. Namaste.
You know, Mia, I've never been to China, but now I can say China is very beautiful.
There is a Great Wall of China also in between.
That is you. Big wall. अच्छा मैं I mean आप इतनी खूबसूरत हैं. You're so beautiful. I mean you do yoga also. I know. You are
Okay.
goddess of yoga in Asia, right?
I teach you yoga.
Yeah.
Okay.
She'll teach you.
Can she teach you yoga?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I need to remove.
You can
side
try.
fat.
You believe me.